Hello my special viewers, subscribers, good day to you all. We're back on site for this week's job and we are making a lot of progress. The carpenter is here with his team doing the formwork installation, and very soon they are rounding off, and you can see from what they have done, our men have started concrete casting of those pillars and beams. You can see that here. I'm going to take you around to see what is going on at every space or section of the building. We've made progress in sand filling here with laterite, though we're still expecting supplies possibly today or tomorrow. So you take a look. Just pour some laterite. So the double wall, you can see, I can't see it from the apartment unless I have to climb up, but this is the safest place for me. So the double wall, you can see they have done the casting as well. That is acting as a reinforcement, because by the time we pour this laterite to those spaces beside the double wall, they seem to push it forward. So that double wall there and the reinforcement will act as a barrier to counter the effect of the weight of the laterite we're going to pour into these spaces. So you can see our men that are doing the casting. So we're going there now to see what they're doing. Well, hold on, don't forget, this is episode 15 of our building project series happening live in southeastern Nigeria. So let's go around. Let's go around. Oh yes, I'm very excited. We have made a lot of progress. So you can see the formwork installation. Let me raise my height a bit. This is the formwork. So shining. This is the beam reinforcement bar. So formwork installation. And the casting is done here. You can see an example there. So we have to cover each space, as well as fasten them to space. Fasten them with binding wire and nail. So let's see. Casting is going on here. On a jika. So formwork installation is going on as well, and you can see the formwork installation is near perfect. It's neat enough. It's neat enough. They're doing a good job. So let's go inside. In this place, we're going to cover here as well. I'm going to cover here with formwork installation. They're going to cover this whole pillar from bottom up. They're going to cover it as they have done for other spaces. Not just cover it, but to make sure it is fastened, binding wire and 3 inches rod. So some of the beams and pillars, we have cast some of them. Remember this space, our kitchen, our toilet that serves the sitting room and the kitchen. Yes, this one has been completed. Talking about the pillars, we are casting the pillars first. When that is completed, we'll move to the beams. So, okay, well done. Do some of the pillars outside. We start casting the pillars outside. So here, this one is completed. This is completed. And which other one? This one. And this, you can see the sound. And this is completed. But look at this. The sound will tell you that nothing is inside. It's empty. This is completed. What should do? This is the first living room. There's a pillar there. So as soon as we complete the casting, tomorrow, not today, we proceed with block work on those beams. We're going to place blocks, two coaches of 9 inches block will be placed on top. Then before we start thinking of decking this apartment, the basement. So though we've had some challenges with logistics and labor, because our men here are also working on another site, so most times we have experienced 1 or 2 days delay. But here they are, we are back on site with the carpenter and his team. They're giving us quality service. So, and we're hoping that in 2 or 3 days time, we'll know where we are from here. Yeah. This is our sitting room as a formwork installation. You know, get me my interview, but I will go. Amen. Yeah. So let's see how this is done here. You know they already now.
Okay.
I'm going to home already.
Okay.
I'm going to home again on Nigeria. I'm both one able. And you're not going to buy anything on get out. I don't get all the little man. That's it. It's all half of you. Oh, heck. Man, I'm going to be check it out on him. No, get a coffee. The trouble is, a man on here on the mailota. You do quite there. I think how long. Yeah, come on, Yana. I have double wine now on Nigeria. You got that country, no. No, 6 months. Give them investment in Nigeria. I know you know all your company. You know, Nigeria, oh. So while you're watching, do share this video, like it, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, put your comments for work installation.
Mabuchi. Mabuchi.
Welcome.
Perdón.
The job is completed. That's space. Yeah, thanks friends for watching. You have a blessed day.